Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video, I'm gonna show you how to create clean modern PowerPoint slide completely from scratch. So yeah, let's get straight into it. First, we will open the blank slide. So if you have opened up the PowerPoint, you will see it here, blank presentation, and just click on it, just like that. Now what we are going to do is let's go to the insert button, tab, and bring your image into it. So select here pictures, this device. I will go here to the downloads like this, open like so. I will just do it like that. All right. I will close that on the right side. All right. Now what we need to do now, right click the image and press cut. So like that, cut here. Now right click on the slide itself, choose format background and go to picture or texture fill. So picture or texture fill, and then click on clipboard, just like that. That will place the image directly into the slide background. Alright, so now I will remove this here, like so, that we have just the picture. Next, we will go back to the Insert tab right here and select Shapes, and add rectangle that covers the entire slide. So rectangle, and let's do like that. Alright. Now remove the outline completely. So now we will remove outline completely. So we go here up where you see shape outline, click on it, and then no out, this no outline. So right here, like that. Now here in the format shape, we will select gradient fill. So we will set the angle to the 0, right, like that. Now make both gradient stops black, like that, as you can see here. So for the stop on the right side, set the transparency to all the way to 100. Now then move the left stop around a little, just like that, until you get a smooth dark fade effect. And transparency, let's say, put it something like so. We need to play a little bit with that here, how we want it. So 4%, 100%. Now let's create the design elements. Okay, so now let's create the design elements. So go to the shapes again. So insert and shapes. And we will select, let's say, this rounded rectangle with rounded corners. So like that. Oops. Then I will paste it to something like that, for example. Now grab the yellow handle right here and drag it down to make the corners smoother. So it, it just depends how you like it. So it's easier that you can do that before you copy like I did, because then you have really all the same. Um, so yeah, line them up. You can also Control Shift and drag to shape to duplicate it perfectly. Right now I have a little bit different shapes, but it doesn't matter. Now we can start resizing each rectangle differently. So let's say I will put this one like this, and this one will be also a little bit smaller, like that. Once that's done, select all the rounded rectangles together. So select all of them. In the format shape, set the fill to slide background fill. So slide background fill like that. And remove the outline. So we will remove it right here. Remove. Then go into the effects right over here, and then shadow. Use a black shadow. So okay, oops, black shadow like that, and set the angle to 0. Distance, let's say here 3, and blur we will add 28 or 30, however you like. Now you can see it's a little bit more glass style effect. Now let's add some text. So what we need to do is insert a text box for the title. So we will go under the Insert tab and then Text box. I will put it right here on the left side. Now type in your heading. So we need to find some headings. So I have used basic text, nothing special. So we need to adjust now this text right here. Let me grab this text, and I will change font to, let's say, here. I need to change the color more to the white. I will try to use this text a little bit more funnier. So if I find something funnier, but that I won't be too long, let's say this one, like that. I will size this a little bit more. So let's say presentation for PowerPoint. Okay, something like that. So what we can do now, up a little bit smaller, let's say something. Okay. Now what we are going to do is we will add another text box underneath for the description. So insert text box, and we will add it right here at the bottom. Now what we can do here, add the description. So let's make the description, keep the font around. Okay, I will just paste this one here, change it to white also. Font will be, let's say, 20. I need to fix that a little bit like that. Like so. Left alignment like it is. Uh, so now what you can do is just center a little bit this that feels like it should. So right here we would come one text. Um, okay, so we did practically everything that we should. Now what you need to do, so now we can duplicate here on the left side our first um, slide. So duplicate slide, and right here we can now change, let's say, this and a little bit bigger and put in here some text. Okay. Uh, uh, for example, and we can play with. Okay, I can make now a little bit bigger, for example, like that. Okay, and also we can play now with this style that we make these two other one bigger, that it's a little bit unique way. So like that, and this one will be also bigger like that. Okay, now what we need to add is animation. So this is for the final touch. Okay, so hold Control and select all your slides together, and go to the Transition tab at the top and choose Morph, this one, the second one. And that's it. When you preview the slide show, everything transitions smoothly with that modern animated effect. So let's say and try that. And as you can see, it really works pretty nice on every slide. And yeah, this is basically it. I hope that this video helped you out. Um, this is how we create a clean modern PowerPoint presentation. So consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next.